third trip. The log further out there is the top of the small log, or the big log. There's still another 50 feet left yet of that log. The smaller one there is the one closest to me, which is about a 14-inch diameter log. That one is the bottom of the first tree I cut down over there. Okay, on this one here, that first one is 12-footer. The second one's an 8. But the 8 is about 20 inches in diameter. The front 12-footers on that big end is about 18 inches in diameter. Man, oh man, that thing is beautiful. Look at the other part of this. Wow. That is something. That's going to give me some nice boards. I got to think about how I want to cut these boards out of this. Oh yeah. Amazing. Amazing what we get from nature. This is why I like these forks. I'm easy to get this. It's easy to get it, like you can get under the log, make your then bucket, and you already have it on the machine. There's a lot of cleaning up to do yet. We can only get one of these on, so you're looking at 24 inches in diameter there. Beautiful log. This is the last of that big white pine log that I was getting out. So that's 28 inches at that, and it's not tapered too badly. It's probably 24 at that end. But I'm going to get a nice cant out of this. You can see how nice and straight that log is. So this will make a good one as well. Now I need to go back over to this job and finish cutting the or chipping up the slash and stuff. So I'm going to get my chipper and bring my truck over. Not bad for half a day's work. Actually, it's about 3 hours work. Hey YouTube. So the other day, I showed people how to fold up, not fold up, but yeah, fold up the blade. And when I did, for some reason, apparently the one of the comments from N.W. Sawyer, who has a LT35, and he's up on what he's doing. So he had made a comment about something about can the blade be folded both directions. Now, I've showed you how to do it with the teeth up. Okay, that's how I usually do it. And the reason I do it like that is because it seems to me like you have a little more leverage when you're pushing on a tooth rather than not. Okay, so here's the thing. I turned the blade around the other day, or this morning rather, because he asked the question about, or I don't know if he asked the question or made a comment, but either way it doesn't matter. You can go on his channel and check stuff out. But the point is can you roll up the blade with the teeth facing down? And the answer is yes. But there's a catch. So there it is. And there it is. However, it hurts like heck. Okay. I'm digging into my freaking hands. It really hurt. So don't do it that way. Do it the other way. Okay? Because even undoing it this way, yow! Really, what's happening is the blade's twisting in your hand, and those points are literally twisting in your glove. So yes, it can be done either direction. However, do it with the teeth up. And something else that I had watched a video from another YouTuber, and they were mentioning that if you take a razor blade and you, like a razor from a utility knife, and you lay it on the thing and you shine light under it, one part of the blade goes like this, okay, and the other part has a hump on it. So there's a hump on one side and an indentation. So one is convex, one is concave. And I haven't had a chance to do the experiment because I was really busy this morning with trying to get cleaned up. Because now they're calling for snow again. I thought I had a week to clean up over there where I cut them big pines down, and I had to have them done today because it just so happens that we're getting snow tonight. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh man, don't get old, guys. Oh, the concave and the convex. So I want to try an experiment and see if that's why I'm getting that fluttering, or not fluttering, but when I start my log, I get a real low cut, as low as 1/4 of an inch off of the center line. Then it rides up and stays straight the rest of the log. I know there's a bunch of different things for why people are saying it happens, but I'm going to base this on this convex concave thing. And I'm wondering, when you send a saw out and they set it and sharpen it, I'm wondering, and maybe you guys could answer the question if you have a setter. I'm wondering if a big setter, a saw setter that's not like the hand kind I have, but a jig that grabs the blade, I'm wondering, is there enough pressure on there to take that concave out of the blade? And is that what's causing my hand sharpened blades to, come in low and then ride up and then cut? So I'm going to be working on that experiment in the next couple days or weeks until I come up with something, and I'll let you know how it's done. But anyway, yes, you can fold these blades any way you want. But the best thing in the world is to fold it with the teeth up, because it don't hurt near as much as it does with the teeth down. If you know anything, like I said, about the concave or the convex on the blade, don't forget to leave a message. Look at them nice logs over there. Well, you better believe I can't wait to get cutting those pine. The only thing is I want to make sure I cut them in exactly what I'm looking for before I go crazy. And yes, I went against my own words. I have 2 things sticking up on the log. They were stuck in the ground. I didn't even see them before I went to get them out. All right, YouTube, have a good one. One more quick thing. it would be a mistake for somebody to think that I don't have chainsaws. Okay, I carry this one with me because it's the right size. However, I have plenty of chainsaws. I don't need any more. And I have plenty of saw chains. Plenty. There's another 24 blades. There's blades stacked in boxes and everything else. So I've got plenty of saws. A lot of times guys comment for some reason on the saw thinking that the saw is too little or too big or whatever. But believe me, I have saws. Saws are not what I need. What I need is the strength of a 30-year-old. That's what I need. Have a good one. For those of you who were watching my video where I spread this stuff the other day, just so you know, I managed to get all the way up as far as I wanted to go. This little bit of snow here is from me driving over it with the truck. It pushed over out of the thing, but just for a walking path, that's where I put the pine chips.